it's me, Niecy J. Today I'm coming to you with Hi you guys, it's me, Niecy J. Today I'm going to do a beer rinse and show you how I revitalize my curls, shine, and it's also good for heat damaged hair. I start off with my hair I've taken out of my protective style, and it's time for me to wash it. This is about 2 or 3 weeks old hair. So okay, I first start off with rinsing my hair very thoroughly. I really saturate my hair with water. I probably do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. I really make sure I saturate my hair. Next, I go in with my shampoo, and you all know I love Cream of Nature shampoo. It's like liquid gold to me. This shampoo also moisturizes my hair, and I just like a shampoo that moisturizes and cleans and do both, you know. Might as well do 2 things at one time. So this is a great shampoo, love it. And just shampoo your hair clean, okay? You don't want to strip anything, just really shampoo it. Next, you want to make sure you rinse your hair thoroughly. Make sure you rinse it very well. Because this next step, I want to add the beer. And I don't drink, so I just got this kind of beer. But I know that beer fats, you know, it contains barley and hops. Hops contains oils rich in antioxidants, and it also has vitamin B proteins in it as well. It both help to swell the hair and tighten the cuticle, and also add body and shine to your hair. Okay, and I use lukewarm beer. And I make sure I saturate it in my hair thoroughly. You know, really make sure to penetrate that cuticle. Very important. I know I used to do this when I had relaxer in my hair, and I used to really do a beer rinse, and it really worked well. So I said, this is the 2nd month I've been doing this. So I wanted to show you what I've done, because I have seen some big results, and I like doing this. So I added a little bit more beer, trying to use it up, but this is it. I'm not using it anymore. I have that much left. So yeah, I just really want to make sure I'm saturated, and my curls look really well. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add a conditioner, a deep conditioner mask on my hair, and my curls are already popping from this. So a lot of people just stop right here, but I just wanted to go ahead and condition my hair, because again, I am wearing protective styles, and once I do this, I'm going to just braid it right back up. So right now, but my hair feels so soft and manageable. It's just really good. Even with this conditioner, the tangling is it's not as hard as it usually is. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when I do rinse, I rinse both of them with cool water, and now I'm using my Tangle teaser. So yeah, cold water is rinsing when you're doing conditioners. It actually helps to close the cuticle. I just noticed a big difference since I have been rinsing with cold water. And I just wanted to let you see what it looks like. Now, the curls are really popping. The shine is there. It's so soft. And you know, once I stop doing these protective styles, I'm really just going to show you how my hair is performing. I mean, this is the 2nd month, like I said, and I really noticed a big difference. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. I really love this product. I love doing the beer rinse. If you have used the beer rinse, let me know. I believe it helps your curls pop. Peace and love, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.